Please sit quiet and comfortable posture. Keep your back straight as much as you can. And gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. It is very important to relax your mind and body. And observe all part of your body relaxed and comfortable. Today we are going to spend beautiful 30 minutes be grateful for this moment. This is the time that you are going to observe about yourself. Let's practice loving kindness meditation. Before that, we can do some loving kindness exercise. Firstly, feel yourself as your best friend. You are the best friend of yourself. That's why you are here. You want to take care of yourself mentally and physically. Again, feel yourself as your best friend. Now, think of someone who really love you, who really want to protect you, who really care for you. You can imagine that person's face. You can feel how much that person love you, care for you. Feel that beautiful love within yourself, around you. Now you are experiencing so much love within yourself. With that beautiful feelings, say to yourself and wish to yourself, may I be filled with loving kindness. May I feel connected and calm. May I be safe from inner and outer dangers. May I be well in body and mind. May I be peaceful. May I be able to find noble friends. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Say to yourself and wish to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your family members. Imagine their faces individually. Send your loving and compassionate thoughts towards to them. May my all family members be filled with loving kindness. May they be safe from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in body and mind. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May all my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Do you want to change your posture? You can change it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. Now we can send our loving thoughts towards to all the living beings. Send our loving thoughts without any discrimination. We all are human. May all the living beings be filled with loving kindness. May they be safe from inner and outer dangers. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be well in mind and body. May all the living beings able to find peaceful, healthy and comfortable environment. May all the living beings be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. Now it is time to practice your unconditional love. If you have any difficult one in your life, think of them. No need to get anger. Try to send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be filled with loving kindness. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be safe from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in mind and body. May they be able to find noble friends. In this moment, we develop our loving thoughts. Think you are the one of the loveliest person right now in this world. Your heart is full of love, full of compassion. It means we can develop our loving thoughts each day, each step, each moment. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. Try to be a kind person to others. Now we can practice mindfulness breathing meditation. Take a few deep, long breaths and focus on your natural, ordinary breath. No need to control your breathing, just focus your natural, ordinary breath. So many sounds, thoughts may distract you. Let them come and go. Bring your attention to the tip of your nose and take each breath mindfully. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. When you are breathing, you can see long breath in and out, short breath in and out. When you see long breath, observe I am taking long breath. The same time, when you see short breath, observe I am taking short breath. No need to think about your past memories or future plans. Just enjoy this present moment. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Where is your mind? Are you chasing thoughts or creating stories? Please come back to the breath and enjoy this present moment. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Now slowly focus your inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you focus your inside, you can see you're beautiful, you're skillful, your spiritual mind. Be grateful for your good mind. Try to develop your good thoughts, your skillful mind every day. Also, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry about it. Understanding is the most important thing. It's mean you can fix your mind. That's why you are here. This meditation practice will help you to develop your good mind. We can raise our mind, we can cultivate our mind, we can develop our mind up to the maximum level. You are trying to develop your good qualities. Now monks are going to chant and bless you. You can listen in this chant lovingly and kindly. Do you want to bless someone? You can think of them during the chanting time. You can send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. Listening this chant lovingly and kindly. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Mahakaruniko nato itaya sabbapāninam puretva parami sambhapanto sambodhimuntamam. Etena satcha vajjena hotu te jaya mangalam. Jayanto bodhiyamule sakyanan nandi vandano. Evan tuihan jayo hotu jayasu jaya mangalan. Sankatva buddha ratanang osadhang uttamang varang. Hitan deva manussanang buddha tejena sattina. Nansantu paddva sambe dukkha upasamintu te. Sankatva dhamma ratanang osadhang uttamang varan. Parilāvupasamanam dhamma tejena santina. Natsantu paddva sambe bhayāvupasamintu te. Sankatva sangharatnang osadhang uttamang varang. Ahuneyang pahuneyang sanghate jena santina. නන්සන්තුපද්දවා සම්බේරෝගාවූප සමින්තුතේ යංකින්චි රතනන් ලෝකේ විජ්ජති විවිධාපුතු රතනං බුද්ධ සමන්නත්තේ තස්මා සොත්ති භවන්තුතේ යංකින්චි රතනන් ලෝකේ විජ්ජති විවිධාපුතු රතනන් ධම්ම සමන්නත්තේ තස්මා සොත්ති භවන්තුතේ යංකින්චි රතනන් ලෝකේ විජ්ජති විවිධාපුතු රතනන් සංඝ සමන්නත්තේ තස්මා සොත්ති භවන්තුතේ නත්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං බුද්ධෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං නත්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං ධම්මෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං නත්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං සංඝෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං සබ්බේතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛේ දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තුතේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තුතේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තුතේ. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening, everyone. How are you today? So happy to see you all. Thank you so much for being here. And today I was thinking what I want to share with you. Then what I did, I was thinking about last year, what I did last year on this day, on this time. Then my mind went to Sri Lanka. I was visiting my family last year, almost 3 months. Then I came back November. So then I was thinking, when I'm going to think about last year and this year, right now, we are living in totally new world. It's so much change. Because of this pandemic, it's everything changed. So we don't know when all the situation going to end. We don't know when we can stop wearing mask. So we don't know when we are going to back to our normal life. We don't know when we can travel freely. So many things, so much things going on right now. Maybe in your mind, maybe this world. People are always talking. They are sharing their thoughts in social media and in newspapers and news, so many things going on right now. So when I'm talking to my friends and my family who living in Sri Lanka, what they are asking very first, Bhante, when you are going to back, you are going to stay over there forever, or you are going to come back soon? Those are the questions they are always asking me. And also, these days I'm also thinking about something. Maybe most of you thinking about next month. I don't want to tell why, but you already know why. People are always talking about next month. Sometimes they are worrying, or they are sad, or they are sharing their thoughts. Sometimes when we talk with some people, they are sharing their ideas. So why I am telling this everything? So much things going on this world right now, this country, in your mind, that everything can make you fear and worry, sad, disappointment, anger, that all the situations can change your mind. So today I was thinking maybe I would like to talk about these ideas, because I was talking here so many times about fear and worry. So I really like that topic because I really learned something from that topic. So I changed my life so much because of that two topics. Then I start to think something different way. I feel so much free now, because how I start to think about that two ideas, fear and worry. Maybe you are experiencing the same thing every day in your life, but it is so much important to think how I can manage these two very big emotions we are every day experiencing. Let's talk about these two ideas. Before that, I would like to ask you, who can remember that your very first day at the temple? Anyone can remember your first day at the temple? After you get into the building, after you came to here, what kind of feelings that you experienced? Do you remember? What kind of feelings that you had?
Very calm.
Very calm. Any? Peaceful. Yeah. So when we are living next door, when I come to here, I had same feeling always, but I am always come to the temple. But still I have that same feeling after I come to here. I feel so much relaxed, peace and calm. When I was studying, almost 6-7 years back, I used to wake up around 3:30 during my exam time early in the morning. So I had my tea around 4. Then I go to there's a different place in my temple, our temple. Each temple in Sri Lanka. There's a Bodhi tree. It is huge. We have a small tree over there, and also a huge pagoda. So that area usually very calm, very peace, and very relaxed. What I did, I went to that place early in the morning around 4. Then I studied. Within 5-10 minutes, I could realize so many things. Still, that everything in my mind, in my head, because that area is so peace and calm. Why I ask you what kind of experience that you experience in this building after you get to the place very first time? You all said you experience so much peace, relax, and calm. Now think, you are always visiting so many friends' house. You are visiting your friends' houses. When you go to their houses, sometimes you feel that house very peace, relaxed, and calm. Have you ever feel like that? So if you feel very relaxed, calm, and very comfortable, you want to stay alone. You want to talk with them. You want to hang out with them so much time. But some houses, when you go to visit, I experience the same thing. I feel weird. Have you experienced? Yeah. I feel weird. I don't want to stay too long. I just want to come soon. I experience so much time. Now just think, I explained how I experienced in Sri Lanka during my study time, that place. You already experienced here. Now you already experienced different houses. Some house you feel weird, bad. Why that all the places different? Why that all the places you can feel something different feelings? Have you ever think about why it is that? Do you have any thoughts? Why? We have to think about it. Maybe your house, you are feeling the same way when you go to your house. When I go to my room, I feel the same way because that's my room. Why it is?
Maybe because of judgment.
Because of judgment, maybe. But I am thinking, what we do here, what we do in this building, we are always creating positive energies. We are developing loving kindness meditation, and we are talking about something good ideas. That everything can affect to this building. We don't have any decorations here, just some old flowers here, I have to take it out. So, but you can feel something so beauty in this place. When you go to some houses, I will ask you, think about how about that family. Maybe they are so nice, peaceful and calm, good people. Their house so much beauty. Also in the other side, some people are not like that, then their house like a ghost house. Why I am telling like this, our mind always changing. This world always changing. This critical situation we are experiencing now, we never thought it. But this everything every day changing. So why I telling like that fear and worry always come to our mind. Also it is changing each moment. As I told you, we have so pure, beautiful, calm mind. We can develop it up to the maximum level. That's why we all are called human. So this meditation always help us to develop, cultivate our mind. So today I already told you I want to talk about fear and worry. There are a few points I would like to share with you how we can create our fear and worry. Let's think, we are always thinking about future. I'm thinking about my future. You are thinking about your future. What do you do when you are thinking about our future? What do you do usually? What do you do when you think about your future? What kind of stuff you are thinking? Maybe you are creating plans. What I'm going to do tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. I'm thinking same way. I'm thinking what I'm going to do. Can you stop making plans? We can't stop it. If we want to continue our life, we have to make plans. But think, if we are always creating plans, because of plans we are continuing our life. But when we are creating our plans, we have to understand, we have to observe, we have to think, these plans will happen or not. Do you think like that? Do you think like that? I'm thinking like that. So after I start to think like that, I change so much. I'm really experiencing it. If we have to create our plans, but while you are creating your plans, we have to understand this will happen or not. It is very important to teach your kids or your children. Also, you have to learn it too. Then it can make your life very relaxed, peace and calm. Then you are not creating more worry and fear. That's the first one. We have to create a plans, but in the same time we have to understand this will happen or not. So next one is we are creating plans, but in the same time we have to practice acceptance. Do you ready to practice acceptance? If you practice acceptance, you can change your life. Maybe you remember last week Bhante Amita was talking about eight worldly concerns. There are 8 things, maybe you remember. So first one we call happy and suffering. Second one we call fame and insignificant. Third one we call praise and blame. Fourth one we call gain and lost. If you are trying to understand these 8 conditions, you are ready to accept. So acceptance is the most important thing. Then whatever come to your life, you are ready to accept it. As I told you, I went to Sri Lanka last year to visit my family. My father was so sick. His condition was so critical. But I was thinking what's going to happen. So I stayed with him 1 month, but one of morning he passed away. So during the time I was going to hospital to bring some medicine for him. Then on the way I got phone call, he passed away. Then I came back to home. So but I was living with him 1 month. I went to visit so many doctors and I tried to make him so much happy. So after I start to think about like that, acceptance, also it can make your life so much peace, relax. So second one is try to practice acceptance, whatever come to your life. That's the second one. So third one, most of times I saw people are doing this. What they do, they are creating stories about future. Whatever they see, they are creating stories. Whatever they can hear, they are creating stories. If someone sees someone, creating stories. Oh, he did like this because of this, because of this. Do you do like that? Many people do that. I used to do that, but now I don't do it because I know it is not good. Because we are just imagine something and we are just creating stories. It can destroy your all day. It can destroy your happiness. So just think these all the few points: creating plans and acceptance. If you are trying to stop creating stories, that if you are trying to think about this everything, you are not creating so much worry and fear into your life. So if you can live without fear and worry, that's beautiful. But you have to understand how I can live with fear and worry. If you can without, it's awesome. But in this lifetime, it is very important to understand how do I live with fear and worry. Try to think these few ideas, try to understand, try to practice. It can make your life so much beautiful and happy. So I think you learned something this evening, and thanks so much for coming. Have a beautiful night. Hope to see you next time.